Here comes the ambulance. Ready? Now watch. Don't anybody move. He's gonna make his move. Wow, you like that sound? Woo, 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 woo. So scary sounding. That guy there, that pedestrian, he heard that sound. That echo. But now he's floored. Because not to alarm the rest of the whole world. But he's flying off somewhere. So there's an emergency. There's always an emergency here. That's why I say, don't think that I'm being mean. There's a lot of elderly, so like if I'm driving fast and I make a U-turn, it's probably because, it's because there's a purpose behind it. It's not careless driving. It's actually caring driving. Hey, caring driving. It's better than careless driving. Wow. I'm a caring driver. Hey, look how far up he went. And he's making a right into Community Drive. So you gotta wonder where he's heading, you know, on that journey, you know. Wow, they're so overworked and overwhelmed, you know, that I'm saying to you, everybody. It's not a fun job. Thank you. Hello, hello, hello. Hey, that's the Three Stooges. Hello.